Hi, I'm Neely. I'm going to show you some ways that you can get the most out of the GoDaddy Pro program. I'll start by showing you how to create a GoDaddy Pro profile, which you can share with new and prospective clients. Your profile should include your business information, your bio, your social networks, some samples of your work that you have done for your clients, and last but not least, client reviews. When your profile is updated, I'll show you how to share your profile as well as where to obtain your GoDaddy Pro badge. Adding your profile and your GoDaddy Pro badge to your website, your social accounts, and in your email signature is a great way to showcase your business. Before we dive into your profile, let me show you a completed profile so you can visualize what we are creating. The header gives some details about the business, including the order minimum and where they are located. The Contact Me button is a great way for people to connect with you. Next, you'll see a section that tells visitors more about you, including links to other external sites. And if you keep scrolling, you'll see a portfolio followed by reviews. Now let's dive in and I'll show you how to create a profile. The starting point is in the GoDaddy Pro dashboard. Select the Clients tab, and from there, choose Profile. Enter your first name, last name, and business name. Add your business logo. You can see the recommendations are to use a square image 75 by 75 pixels. Enter a link to your business website, select your business type and size, and enter your project minimum. Enter how long you've been in business, enter your location, and finally, your email address. When things look good, click Save. Now, when clients or potential clients click your GoDaddy Pro badge, they will have all of your contact information available. The next section is Bio. Your bio should be all about you, your work, and your passions. It's a good idea to create a short, easy to remember vanity URL that you can use to send clients or potential clients to your profile. The social networks is where you add links to your social sites. Client work is where you add links to the sites you've created. And client reviews is where you can select your clients and ask them to write a review for you. Now that you know how to update your profile information, let's change gears and I'll show you where to get the HTML embed code for your GoDaddy Pro badge, as well as the link you can share so others can see your new profile. Again, this can be used on your website, on your social media accounts, and in your email signature for clients or potential clients. The GoDaddy Pro badge is located under the Benefits screen. From there, choose the Badges option. You can copy the HTML embed code, black or white, that you want to use. Below that, you'll see the link to your member profile. Using the badge shows that you are a GoDaddy Pro member, and the link to your profile shows all about you. I hope you found this helpful, and make sure to keep the information that displays in your profile current. I'm Neely. I'll see you next time.